Morning. Today we shall see a story of three pigs. Once in a forest, there lived three pigs with their mother. Their mother told the three little pigs to build her own home in the forest. The three pigs said to the mom, "Okay, mom, we'll build it." Okay. Then they started moving towards the forest. While in a long ago, they found some piece of land. Okay, the pig thought, okay, we shall build a home here. The first two pigs started building their house. One pig built the house of stick, the second one with wood, third with the house of brick. The first two pigs built their house very fast. They did not think that we should not be in a hurry to build it. But they built very fast and moved on towards playing. The third pig was very hard worker and it slowly built up the house of brick. While the two pigs were playing near the pond, one day the wolf saw them and thought, "Oh, these two pigs! I'm very hungry. Let's taste them. How could be their flesh be? Very juicy and tender. And let my tummy be yummy yummy." The wolf thought, "Okay, let's wait for a fine day to catch them up." Then, one fine day, the wolf went to the first pig and told, "Oh pig, would you let me in?" The pig said, "No, no, 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 no. I won't let you in." The wolf said, "Please, pig." The pig said, "No." Again, the wolf with a louder voice told, "I will huff and puff your and blow your house if you don't allow me in." The pig said, "No." Then finally, the wolf blew the house. After blowing the house, the first pig ran to the second pig house. The second pig, the same. The wolf came, knocked the door. The pig said, "No, no, 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 no." But the wolf again asked, little pig, won't you let me in?" The pig said, "No." Again, the wolf with a louder voice said, "Then I will huff and puff and blow your house." It did the same way as it told. The second house was also destroyed by the wolf. Then both the pigs ran to the third pig's home. Then the wolf knocked at the third pig's house. It thought, "Oh, this time we should not go by the door. We'll go through the chimney." The smarter third pig thought, "Oh, the wolf should come by chimney. We should be a bit smarter," and it placed a large bowl of hot water near the chimney. Once, when the wolf entered to the chimney, it fell in the hot bowl and it died very furiously. After that, the two other pigs were feeling ashamed of how they were built the houses which is of less careful. Then all the three pigs discussed and built the houses stronger by bricks. And the three pigs lived ever happily in the forest. Then they also learnt a lesson that only by hurrying nothing becomes possible. The slow and smarter also wins the race. Thank you. Now, let us see the animals and their home. Ant lives in an ant hill. The duck lives in the pond. The cow lives in the shed. The rat lives in a hole. The honeybee, which buzzes around, lives in beehive. The spider builds a web. The bird lives in the nest. The dog lives in the kennel. The horse lives in the stable. The hen lives in the coop. The monkey in the trees. The tiger lives in a den. Now, let's see some basic shapes. Shapes. Circle. Circle which is of round shape and it resembles a clock. Square which has all sides equal, resembles in a chessboard. Rectangle. Rectangle is of this side, this is also of 4 sides, resembles in a ruler. Triangle which is of 3 sides, resembles in a piece of pizza. Oval which looks like this and resembles in a watermelon. Cone which looks like triangle which resembles in an ice cream cone. Cylinder which is of this type resembles in a tin. Now let us see a rhyme. Open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, keep them on your lap, lap, lap. Wiggle them, wiggle them, wiggle them, wiggle them, move up to your chin, chin, chin. Open your mouth little wider, but do not let them in, in. Thank you.